Hello guys, and welcome back once again to the Asian channel. And today we are going to talk about the JH-7 fighter bomber, also known as Feibao in China, meaning Flyer Panther. NATO-designated Flounder. The development of this aircraft began as early as 1974. At the time, China sought to modernize its Air Force and naval aviation fleet. The Chinese aerospace industry also wanted an able modern fighter for export right after a battle against Vietnam in the Paracel Islands in the South China Sea. The incident prompted Beijing to decide and develop a supersonic all-weather interdictor aircraft that could be used by both the Navy and Air Force. However, the development was slow since a suitable engine for the aircraft could not be found and other countries were unwilling to sell advanced engines to the country. The JH-7 first flight was in 1988, and in the early 90s, it entered service for the Chinese Naval Aviation Force. The JH-7 was developed during the most intensive development of Chinese military technical operation with the West. The US even helped China with the development of the J-8 interceptor aircraft. It was at the height of a good US-China relation right after China ended its alliance of the Soviet Union. The JH-7 features a wide range of indigenously developed systems and equipment, and these include the JL-10A multi-mode radar, the Blue Sky low-altitude forward-looking infrared navigation pod radar, and the inertial GPS navigation systems. The JH-7 Xi'an WS-9 engines are licensed manufactured Rolls-Royce Spey turbofans. The plane is designed to have the same role and configuration class as the Russian Sukhoi Su-24 Fencer. The JH-7's armament are twin-barrel, 23mm gun in the nose, 2-store pylons under each wing, plus rail for close-range air-to-air missile at each wingtip. Typical underwing load for maritime attack includes 2 C-801C skimming anti-ship missiles and 2 drop tanks. The JH-7 is mainly used for anti-ship and long-range strikes against ground targets. At the time, the Chinese naval aviation received a potent long-range maritime attack aircraft. The JH-7A is the latest variant. It's capable of flying 1,808 kilometers per hour, maximum takeoff weight of 28.4 tons, combat radius of 1,650 kilometers, service ceiling of 51,000 feet. However, as capable as he was during his time, many foreign observer believes it's time with the Chinese Naval Aviation Force to close to an end. The program was abandoned during the mid-1990s. At the time, around 420 aircrafts were built. During the late 90s, the Chinese Air Force and Naval Aviation Force decided to import Su-27 and Su-30 MKK multi-role to fill the gap for a need of modern ground precision strike capabilities. The JH-7 did not have radar-guided air-to-air missiles, which makes it vulnerable to other fighters common in the region, such as the F-16. China sought an aircraft with multi-role capabilities. Later, Chinese Air Force and Naval Aviation fielded various types of very capable indigenous Chinese-made aircrafts, such as the J-10, the J-11, and later on the J-16. Although currently the JH-7 is still in service in the Chinese Naval Aviation Force, it might not be best suited anymore for the 21st century multi-role missions with possible air-to-air combat scenarios, but it still serves as additional support fleet for anti-ship operation, a ground attack bomber using long-range standoff weapons, or laying naval mines for a slow naval ship. Speculation is that China is working on a new JH-XX bomber to replace the JH-17, similar to the H-20 stealth bomber program to replace the aging H-6 long-range strategic bombers. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you want more topics like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.